Hey guys, what's up? This is Naveed and you're watching Naveed's View. Today we are doing unboxing for Samsung latest phone S20 FE Fan Edition. Surprise entry phone. First time they launched something in between Note series and S series. Normally Note series they are launching in August and S series in the February. This year in October we are getting new model S20 Fan Edition, which is you cannot say it's a mid-range phone or you can say it's high-end model. This is we can say it's a premium device, which you are getting in budget section. In this video, we will see some of the decisions Samsung made for this device. So first of all, we will do the quick unboxing. On the top, we have S20 FE, Type-C cable. In the box, we have a 15-watt charger, but it's supporting up to 25-watt. SIM ejector pin and quick guide. Sorry for this time we don't have silicone case. S20 Fan Edition is available in 6 colors: cloud navy, white and red, lavender, mint and orange. Let me know which color you prefer below in comments. So let's go and we will see which thing makes S20 FE as a S20 series family member. Let's talk about the design. Outer design is same like S20 series. Same rounded corner, same shape aluminum frame, same buttons and speaker, everything is same. On the front also we are getting a same Infinity O display and a same punch hole camera for the selfie. Screen refresh rate also is the same 120Hz refresh rate. Processor also a same. We are getting top line of the processor Exynos 990 for the 4G and 5G we are getting Snapdragon 865. 4500 mAh battery, 25 watt supporting fast charging, IP68 and hybrid SIM slot. So move on and now we will talk about what main differences between S20 series and S20 Fan Edition. First of all, in S20 series, we are getting the front and back Gorilla Glass. But on the Fan Edition, on the back, we are getting polycarbonated plastic. Gorilla Glass definitely feels much premium compared to polycarbonated plastic. But still, when you use the cover, it doesn't matter. And the best thing in Fan Edition, you are getting more different colors. Next, on the S20 series, we have a display Quad HD Plus resolution. But the 120Hz refresh rate we can do only on Full HD Plus only. On the other hand, the Fan Edition also we have 120Hz refresh rate on Full HD Plus. So you will not feel much difference when you are doing 120Hz refresh rate. Now we will talk about the camera. Camera setup is also a triple camera setup, wide angle, ultra wide angle and telephoto. Main camera we are getting 12 megapixel. Ultra wide is 12 megapixel and the telephoto 8 megapixel. On the front, surprisingly, we have a better camera 32 megapixel. Price you are getting 4G in AED 2499 in dollars 685. 5G version we are getting in AED 2699 in dollars 740. For me, I will consider S20 Fan Edition as a premium device. But what do you think? Go out and get the S20 Fan Edition or it's not match up with your expectation. Please let me know below in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell icon. Till the next video. Peace out.